everyone, this is Lucy. Welcome back to my channel. I finally had the time to sit down and create this look. My cousin has been wanting me to make a tutorial on this palette. It's called Chocolate Bar Eyeshadow Palette from Revolution. The colors are beautiful. It does have a lot of shimmery colors, but I want to go for more of a matte look. That's what I usually go for. I hope you enjoy it. I'm not going to mention what brushes I'm using because those are the ones that I actually always use on the other tutorials. They are the same brushes. I will list them down below, but I will show you guys what colors I'm using, and then you guys can see on the description what brush I used. So with my Wet n Wild brush, I'm going in with this shade, a light brown shade. I did apply that already actually because I had my makeup on already. Ugh, my pimple. I had my makeup on already. So I'm just gonna reapply it. Just on my crease. So now with the same brush, I'm going in with a little bit of a darker brown shade. Also applying that on my crease. Now with my fluffier brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend some more. The more you blend, the better. Trust me. You are gonna realize in this video, I love this brush. Same brush, I'm going in with this orangey color. And that I'm applying it right on my crease, not above my crease, just straight up on it. And of course, blending it. I really love this color. Look how beautiful. Okay, so I'm done with that. Now I'm going in with a chocolate color, I guess you can say. This one kind of orangey chocolatey color with this brush. These shadows are so pigmented, like they are life. Okay, so this one I am applying it same on my crease, but I want it to be a little bit darker, so I am putting on a lot of it. Of course, we're gonna fix it by blending it. Also, I do apply some like in the corner of my eye as well. And just doing like an arch with it. And then back with my Wet n Wild brush. We are going to blend it, honey, blend it. Blend it all, like even above your crease, just everywhere, even outside of your eye or the end of your eye, whatever. Just blend it all. We're gonna fix this anyways with the concealer, so don't be scared. I mean, at first your eyes are gonna be like, they're gonna look like a freaking mess, an orange mess, but once we're done with everything, it'll look perfect. Same brush, I'm cleaning it off because I don't have a lot of brushes, so We gotta do it the bootleg way. Now we are going to go in with dark brown. My all-time favorite. I just love brown shadows. I swear that's all I say. I love this, I love that. And this one is going a little bit above my crease. My eyes are so little, like I have to like recreate like this crease so it'll look stupid, you know. And then we're gonna blend it with this beautiful brush. Take your time with the blending. Remember, bring it out, bring it out. So here I'm going in with Beauty of the Essence brush with this pearly color, applying that on my brow bone only. Now with my Naked 2 brush on the flat side, I'm going in with the Real Deal Concealer, applying that on my eyelid. Going in with my Wet n Wild brush and the brown eyeshadow and just applying it on my crease just to darken up the look. With my Real Technique sponge, I'm going in with my concealer to clean out my eyeshadow. Of course, I'm not done yet. I'm gonna apply my wing liner and then my falsies, and then I'll be back. Since I am done with my eyeliner, instead of putting my falsies on first, I'm going to do my lower lash line with this brush, and I'm going in with this first, putting it all over my lower lash line except the corner of my eye. Of my eyes, I'm going in with this one. Lashes that I have are the medium length ones. As you guys know, I do not like applying the medium length eyelashes while I have like a full eye makeup look. So I'm just going in with mascara, and that will be the end of the look. this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry I couldn't apply my falsies on, but if some of you don't put falsies on, then you know this look is still gonna look perfect on you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe. I will be uploading more videos. I know I've said that before, but I will definitely post more. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.